Hey everyone, today we're diving into two popular tools for building AI apps, LangChain and Llama Index. We'll explain each one simply, then compare them to help you decide which is better for your needs in 2025. Let's get started. First, meet LangChain. LangChain is like a toolbox for creating all kinds of AI apps powered by large language models or LLMs. It helps you connect LLMs to data, tools, and memory so your app can chat, answer questions, or even translate text. It's super flexible, letting you build custom workflows like for chatbots or apps that needs to remember past conversations. Think of it as a jack of all trades for AI projects. Now, Llama Index. Llama Index is all about making search and retrieval fast and easy. It takes your data like documents, PDFs, or databases and organizes it so an LLM can find the right info quickly. It's perfect for apps where you need accurate answers from big datasets like a search tool or a Q&A bot. Think of Llama Index as a super librarian for your AI. So how do they compare? Ease of use. Llama Index is simple to start with if you're focused on search. LangChain takes a bit more setup but gives you more control for custom projects. Strength. LangChain lets you mix tools and keep context, like for long chats. Llama Index is a champ for finding and organizing data for quick, spot-on answers. Which one's better in 2025? It depends on you. If you want a flexible tool for many AI tasks, choose LangChain. If you need fast, accurate search from big data, Llama Index is the winner. You can even use them together for the best of both. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped your AI journey. Like and subscribe for more videos.